everybody. Today I want to show you how to disconnect my Apple Watch. Yeah, this Apple Watch Series 3 Series 3. Yeah, you see this 22 yes. Now I want to disconnect from this iPhone. Okay, let's start together. Now you check Apple Watch. You see this name. Okay, how to disconnect, unpair. Yeah, unpair. You write my Apple Watch. Yeah, and you see this, find my Apple Watch. You connect this, and then you see this, you just connect this one, and then unpair. Yeah, unpair. Yeah, you see. Now unpair ring Apple Watch. Unpair error, but a moment. Yes, already. Now you can start pair more Apple Watch. Okay, thank you everyone. And next video I want to show you how to connect this Apple Watch. Please check my YouTube channel. You see how to unpair this new Series 3 is 5. Okay, thank you everyone. Hope you guys understand about my video. Okay, thank you.